All right, what's up, guys? So we're gonna show you how to assemble the buck figure. This is the new buck. I've kind of switched around some articulation stuff just to make it a little bit better. As always, I'm always trying to improve. So I like to just put it in some warm water. I got this super cheap burn plate and pan on Amazon, and they're cheap and good. So yeah, first things first, you got your cold parts, which are your knees and your elbows. Oh, here's an elbow. And I got some cold water here. I just put ice cubes. And your joints, you got your butterflies and your feet. So here's the hips piece. Like I said, I like to start with the hips. Just pop it on there. Then I'll usually go to, since I already have this, I go to the abs. Pop that in. And then the little ab joint is the shorter one of all of them. So you've got, and I've done this different configurations. Sometimes there's only one of these for the neck. This one I'm trying 2 shoulder pieces and the neck. It's kind of my old system. I'm going back to it, but adding a butterfly joint. So I'll hop to the forearms, and there's a little T on the top of this to say it's the top, and I'll pinch this perpendicularly and then put it in the cold water. I usually lay it out like kind of how it would be. So this is his left forearm. And find the T and then pinch that perpendicular, and then I just pinch it nice and tight. Got a fist, his left fist, and then his right fist. Then I'll move to the shoulders. Grab the head. So now we got all these barbell pieces in place. Then I'll usually go grab his core, and the thighs, there's usually like a little L, or if there's a little mark, it's usually on the outside. And then the same thing with this, I put a T on top, or the kneecap is usually on the top of the knee piece. Do the other one. Pinch it and cool it. And you can do this with factory figures too. If your factory figures, like the combat creatures, you just warm them up and then you can pinch them, because plastic and resin, from what I've heard, has like memory. So it wants to go back to its original state. So here's the calf piece. Get his other one, you can just pop it in the foot. And then pinch it perpendicular, so this will go in nice and easy. Okay, now I'll get the bicep. So same thing, there's usually like a little arrow, and I put that on the outside, or if it's the buck, his vein, the main bicep vein is on the outside. So I can see this is his left bicep. Nice click. There we go. That arm's done. Pop that in. All right, so as I was saying, this is kind of my old system, but I'm mixing it with like a new system. So these are like the butterfly joints. So there's that. Pop the head in. Get his torso in. And the other one. Cool them off. There you go. You got a 3D printed figure. So I like this system. It gives us some, like a little bit of the butterfly joint, but it has that almost like a clavicle with the barbell. So there you go. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments.